Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Joy, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing my morning skincare routine. This is a basic 3-step skincare routine that is budget friendly. As you know, things can get quite expensive, so having a 3-step skincare routine, especially if you do not suffer from acne, is a great way to still get your self-care in without breaking the bank. So the first step for my morning routine, I usually go in with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is great for anyone who has combination skin or oily skin. It cleanses and removes all the oil without disturbing your skin barrier. And I think for me specifically, what I've experienced is that a lot of cleansers will end up ripping my skin of its natural moisture. And I don't personally like that. Like, I want oil control. I just don't want you taking up all of my oil. And then I'm left with dry skin, which is never a thing, girl. Never a thing. So once I'm finished washing off the cleanser, I usually use a paper towel to dry my face. And then I go straight in with the vitamin C complex serum from Naturium. And with my vitamin C serum, I try to make sure I put it all around my face, under eye, forehead, and your cheeks. I tend to use less so I could build more later. So if I don't get everywhere, then I'll just go back in with a little bit more. And I actually purchased this in the 3-pack serum starter kit. It's a great way to not overspend but still get the essentials that you need. It comes with the niacinamide as well as the retinol serums. So next I'll go in with my CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion with sunscreen. I do like this specifically because it has sunscreen in it. However, I will be switching to a different facial moisturizer just because this gives me a white cast. I'm still using it mainly because I tend to put the sunscreen on and then do a full face of makeup throughout the week, so I don't mind it now. But if it's something that I just want to wear bare skin, I want to be natural face, then I'll have a problem because of the white cast. Now I will say the facial moisturizer that I did use, it was a light version, and I feel like they used a different formula with this specific bottle versus the lightweight. I'll definitely go back to using the light version during the summertime. So that wraps up my 3-step skincare morning routine. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Also, be sure to check out my 3-step nighttime skincare routine. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.